In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free trial in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and head to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Product Catalog. This is where Stripe stores the products and pricing options you offer, so it's the right place to set up a trial for an existing subscription. Next, select the product you want to offer with a free trial. Make sure you choose the correct product, especially if you manage several similar offers, because the trial will be connected directly to this item. When the product page opens, locate the trial section. This area is specifically for setting up and managing trial configurations related to the product. To create a new one, click the plus button in that section. Stripe will then prompt you to enter the trial details. Start by entering a name for the free trial. Choose something clear and recognizable so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple trial offers for different products or campaigns. After that, select the product the trial will be associated with. Then choose the trial price. This is the pricing option tied to the trial period itself. From there, select the price that customers will be charged once the trial ends. This is an important step because it determines what happens automatically when the free trial converts into a paid subscription. If needed, configure any additional trial options available to you. Depending on your setup, these options may help you fine-tune how the trial behaves. If you're unsure about a setting, take a moment to read the description before moving on so your trial matches the customer experience you want to create. Once everything is filled out, review the trial settings carefully. Double-check the trial name, the associated product, the trial price, and the post-trial charge price. A quick review now can save you from billing issues or confusion later. When you're satisfied, click Create. Stripe will save the new trial and attach it to the product. After that, verify that the free trial appears in the Trials section of the product page. This confirms that the setup was created successfully and is now available in your Stripe configuration. As a final and very important step, test the subscription flow to confirm the free trial is applied correctly. Go through the customer experience from start to finish and make sure the trial period appears as expected and that the transition to the paid price is set up properly. Thanks for watching.